Hi friends, welcome to this program. Here I am going to make some paper craft. You know paper folding, the art of paper folding. It's called as origami. Origami is the art of paper folding. In this paper, so many origami models we can create. The basic origami foldings is that, listen, corner to corner like this. One, corner to corner one time and open at opposite side. Yes, corner to corner two times and then side to side. How? Listen, this side, side to side like this. One time and open and next let's this side. Okay, this side. Two times side to side. This is the basic folding of origami. From center there are 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that very easy folding this type. These are both touch, then we can get a triangle. This is in this style. These both corners are touched, then we can get a square. And I am here going to make a small fish. Okay? How? Listen. In this way we create a triangle. Then from this fold like this and here fold like this. Two ways. One is here up and okay, like this. Okay. When doing these kinds of origami, we use our fingers. We use our fingers to create specific shapes out of this paper. Okay. Thanking you watching this video. Yes, thank you. Okay.